Choosing the right kayak can feel overwhelming with so many options out there. Making the right choice can make or break your experience on the water. In this video, we'll not only guide you through the top 5 essential tips for selecting the perfect kayak, but also review some of the best kayaks available today. Let's dive in and help you find the kayak that's just right for you. Tip 1. Determine your kayaking style. The first step in choosing the right kayak is to consider your kayaking style. Are you planning to explore calm lakes, navigate rivers, or take on the thrill of whitewater rapids? Different kayaks are designed for different environments. Recreational kayaks are great for calm waters, while touring kayaks are built for longer distances. If you're into adrenaline-pumping adventures, look for a whitewater kayak. First up, we have the Sea Eagle 385-foot fast-track inflatable kayak. This versatile kayak offers a smooth paddling experience, thanks to its rigid external keel that enhances stability and tracking. Designed to accommodate 1 to 3 people, the Sea Eagle 385 feet is both lightweight and easy to transport, making it an excellent choice for touring and exploring. One of the standout features of this kayak is its quick setup. Within minutes, you can have it inflated and ready to hit the water. Whether you're navigating rivers, lakes, or coastal waters, the Sea Eagle 385 feet delivers reliable performance and comfort, making it suitable for kayakers of all skill levels. Tip 2. Consider the kayak stability. Stability is crucial, especially for beginners. Kayaks with a wider hull are more stable and less likely to tip over, making them ideal for beginners or those who prefer a relaxed paddle. However, keep in mind that more stable kayaks might be slower. If speed is a priority, you may want to trade some stability for a narrower, faster kayak. Next on our list is the Intex Explorer K2 inflatable kayak set, a popular choice for those who love outdoor adventures. This set comes complete with deluxe 86-inch paddles and a high-output pump, ensuring that you're ready to go in no time. The Explorer K2 is designed with comfort in mind, featuring adjustable seats with backrests for 2 people. The removable skeg adds to its stability and control, making it easy to navigate on calm waters. With a 400 pounds weight capacity, this kayak is durable and reliable, offering a great balance between affordability and quality. Tip 3. Think about portability and storage. If you don't have a lot of storage space, or if you plan to travel with your kayak, consider an inflatable or foldable model. These kayaks are easy to transport and store, making them a convenient option for those with limited space. Just make sure to choose one that is durable and easy to inflate or assemble. For those seeking a bit more adventure, the Driftsun Rover 120 inflatable kayak is designed for whitewater enthusiasts. This one-person kayak comes equipped with a padded seat for comfort, an aluminum paddle for easy maneuvering, and an action cam mount to capture all your thrilling moments. The high-pressure floor adds stability, ensuring a smooth ride even in rough conditions. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a travel bag for easy transport and storage. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddler, the Driftsun Rover 120 offers a durable and exhilarating experience on the water. Tip 4. Choose the right size. Size matters when it comes to kayaks. A longer kayak tracks better and is faster, making it ideal for touring. A shorter kayak, on the other hand, is more maneuverable, which is perfect for navigating rivers or tight spaces. Also, consider the weight capacity of the kayak to ensure it can comfortably support you and your gear. Our next kayak is the Amazon.com inflatable kayak with drop stitch floor, available in both 1-person and 2-person models. This kayak stands out with its stylish gray color and durable drop stitch construction, offering both aesthetics and functionality. The drop stitch floor provides excellent stability, making your paddling experience smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're touring or just enjoying a day on the water, this foldable kayak is easy to transport and store, making it a convenient option for outdoor enthusiasts. Tip 5. Pay attention to comfort. Comfort is key for an enjoyable kayaking experience, especially on longer trips. Look for kayaks with adjustable seats, ample legroom, and footrests that suit your height. A comfortable kayak can make all the difference, keeping you paddling longer and enjoying your time on the water. Finally, we have the Sunlight Sports 2-person inflatable kayak, perfect for couples or friends looking to explore the great outdoors together. This kayak comes with aluminum oars, a high-output air pump, and a storage bag, making it a convenient and practical choice. Measuring 136 inches by 33 inches, this tandem kayak offers plenty of space for 2 adults. It's easy to inflate and deflate, making it simple to transport and store when not in use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced kayaker, the Sunlight Sports Kayak provides a stable and enjoyable experience on calm waters. Thanks for joining us on this journey to find the best kayak for your adventures. We hope these tips and reviews have helped you narrow down your choices and feel more confident in your decision. Whether you're hitting the water for the first time or looking to upgrade your gear, remember that the right kayak can turn a simple outing into an unforgettable experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews, and drop any questions or your favorite kayak in the comments below. Happy paddling, and see you on the water!